Welcome back to Learn SKN, and today we have a quick video for you. Just a video to highlight some available material that you can use in your exam preparation. So I was sent this link by a colleague, and this link goes to a website called CSEC Past Papers. CSEC Past Papers. And based on this website, it says that we are a team of Caribbean students who wanted to support each other and the student community during the COVID-19 period. Our hope is that this website will be used to optimize your studies and improve your scores on the upcoming exams. Best wishes. All right, and they say disclaimer: they are not affiliated with the actual CSEC organization. So I brought this to your attention so that you can, I know sometimes I would put a link into my videos, and sometimes whatever happened to Dropbox or Google Drive, you know, the links break or whatever. And also we only cover a few subjects on this channel. And so this website has a number of subjects. I would say almost all, right? And each of them you would find a variety of past papers that you can access. So this one is under math, and as you can see, they have a bunch of math past papers. And they said that this website will be keep updating as more submissions become available. So you can check back every now and then to see what you might have been missing. So this is OA, and you see a whole lot of OA exams under here, up to 2019 right there. And so it covers a lot. You have Spanish, covers a lot of subjects out there, far beyond the scope of Learn SKN. So for those of you, I know you're not doing one subject with CSEC, so for those of you who are doing others, you can go to this website, again, csecpastpapers.com, and you can download some of the past papers that they have available right here in PDF format. So you click on it, and then you are able to access these past papers. So that's one thing you can do in order to get yourself ready for exam. And of course, you can download the papers right there. Click the download link. You can download the papers, and yeah, get yourself ready for exam. So you see they have from math, English, OA, POB, POA, IT, social studies, Spanish, economics, physics, biology, chemistry, technical drawing, building technology, French, agriculture science, food and nutrition, PE, clothing and textile, integrated science, HSB, AdMath, geography, English, history, EDPM. So they cover a wide gamut of CSEC offerings. And so you simply download them and you can have access to these. And of course for Econ, POB, agriculture science, you could some of the other paper ones, you can always use Learn SKN to get the solutions for a couple of these past papers. All right, so I just wanted to bring this website to your attention and help to promote this so that all of us can have more of a chance to mash up the exams coming up now and later. All right, so that's it for now. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the CSEC past paper website, get your past papers, download them, print them if you want to. Check Learn SKN for some of the solutions for some of the for the subjects, your POB, your economics, your agriculture science, and some of the paper ones for a large number of subjects. Check Learn SKN for solutions while you have the papers in hand. All right, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening.